In this video, I'll start to define the car shape by using the extrude tool and our previously drawn sketches. I'll start with the body wide sketch, and I'll extrude it up, and I'll start from the top, extrude it down to the bottom of our profile. Next, I want to do a sweep cut. So I'll come up to create, select sweep, and the cut profile will be this front profile sketch. And we want to trace it along the body wide. But I'm having an issue here. My sketch path is not linking up. So I'm going to need to go and modify the sketch. So I'll cancel that. I'm going to go back into the body wide sketch. And to make sure I get a continuous profile path, I'm going to make these paths constructions. And now I'm going to connect with a line, L on the keyboard, these curve parts so that I have a continuous path. My profile turned tan colored, so now I know it's all linked. I'll stop that sketch. I'll come back, go back to sweep, select the profile to cut, select the body wide profile, show my bodies again. The default is cut. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and hide this canvas. I want to do another cut where I cut the bodies through. Now notice here that the circle cut, I will not be able to cut this on the CNC the way I want to. So I'm going to need to go back and modify this side profile sketch. And I need to add in some straight lines from the tangent points that my router bit can come up from the bottom side to cut to. And this will make a bit more sense when we go into the CAM workspace. So I need to add tangent constraint, a perpendicular constraint, perpendicular constraint. Okay. So I'm going to use this this side profile now to do an extrude cut through the body. We'll show that, bring it through, and it's going to be a two-sided cut. And the distance is through all. Distance is all. Say OK. So it's starting to look more like the car. Now I still need to fill in this portion where the wheels go so I have something to hold an axle. And I'm going to extrude from the center out, but I'm going to need a vector to extrude to. So I'm going to go back in and modify the body wide sketch again. Now I want to be on the center line of this circle, so I'm going to say I'm going to select the point and P on the keyboard. Okay. Come back to my front view, line on the keyboard, and I'll give it a midpoint constraint. And I want the depth of the wheel well to be approximately 1/2 inch. Stop the sketch. Now I'll come back E on the keyboard for extrude, and I want to extrude these back out from the center to my vertice. So this will be a two-sided, and the distance is to object, and I select that vertex, and then I come back and select the other side vertex. And it's going to be joining into the body to make it all one. So now I have a nice area for my axle. The last thing I want to do is fillet this bottom edge. I think it'll look better. So I'm going to select F on the keyboard, and I'm going to select all of these edges. I'll give it a 1/4 inch radius, and that is looking pretty good. So this is a good point to save. And next, in the next video, I'll draw the wheels and copy and paste them around using mates.